What is listers? Listers refer to the data type is given in a variable or constraint. Python has various kinds of listers including string listers. It is a sequence of characters enclosed in code. There can be single, double, and triple string based on the number of quotes used. Character listers are single characters surrounded by single or double quotes. Numeric literals. These are unchangeable kind and belong to three different types: integer, float, and complex Boolean listers. They can have either of the two values true or false, which represent 1 and 0 respectively. Special literals are used to classify fields that are not created. It is represented by the value none. Thank you.